Al-Tirmidhi and Ibn Jarir, once while Allah's Messenger was reciting the verse, Adi bin Hakim said, O Allah's Messenger, they do not worship them. Are you rabbis and monk? Allah's Messenger said, they certainly do. The rabbis and monks made lawful things as unlawful. The rabbis and monks made lawful things as unlawful and unlawful things as lawful, and the Jews and Christians followed them. And by doing so, they really worship them. By making maita, making al-maita a dead animals legal by eating it, then you would indeed be polytheist, because the devil and their friends made lawful to you to eat that which Allah has made unlawful to eat, and you obeyed them by considering it lawful to eat, and by doing so you worship them, and to worship others beside Allah is polytheism.